Grade 30 chain designed for anchoring applications. Enhances holding power and abrasion resistance. Size: 5/16 inch by 5 feet. Workload: 1,875 pounds. Brake strength: 7,500 pounds. Includes two 5/16 galvanized shackles. Top reviews from the United States. Perfect lead chain for 35 boat. This is my second chain like this since I lost an anchor once and it worked so well that I replaced it with the exact same thing. I use this with a 14 fluke anchor to anchor my 35 cruiser and it sets perfectly in sand every time. Highly recommended.